Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arifin Nabi Ahmad Jafri, and my group mate is Riyad and Faiz will present about Bluetooth. Okay, first is, what is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a wireless technology standard for the connection device without the use of cable. The Bluetooth modules is a small component of device chips that allow it to communicate wirelessly with other Bluetooth modules. How does it work? The Bluetooth is a high-speed wireless link technology that uses radio wave. It designed to connect the mobile phone, laptops, handheld device, and the portable equipment with almost no work by the end of user. Unlike the infrared, Bluetooth does not require line of sight between the connection units. The Bluetooth technology is modified form of the current wireless LAN technology and is more acceptable for its relative small size and low cost. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, this is Bluetooth version and 8 features. For the first one is the version 2.0. The range is 10 meter. The speed is 2.1 megabit per second and it enhanced data rate. It developed on 2004. The next version is 2.1. The range also same 10 meter and the speed is 3 Mbps and it also enhanced data rate. Developed on 2007. The next one is 3.0. The range is 10 meter and the speed is 24 Mbps, and it's provide higher data rate by using Wi-Fi physical layer. Developed on 2009, and the next version is 4.0. The range is 16 meter and the speed is 24 Mbps and it's low energy and developed on 2010. And the last one is 5.0. It's up to the 300 meter for the range and the speed is 2 Mbps and it's interference detection and prevention. It developed on 2016 to 2017.
So we continue the slide. So the advantages and disadvantages of Bluetooth technology are well known to anyone who extensively uses the Bluetooth for transferring the data or sharing information. So the first advantages of the Bluetooth that I have, which is it has a lower power consumption. This is because the processing power and battery power that it requires in order to operate is very low. This makes it an ideal tool for so many electronic devices, as the technology can be implemented to pretty much anywhere. So the next is it has a range network better than the infrared communication. So for the maximum range that it offers is 300 meter, but this range is not the same for all similar connection. It depends on the nature of the devices and the version that they operate upon. And the next one is it is free to use if the device is installed with Bluetooth. So this is the major advantage for the Bluetooth, because anyone can figure out how to set up a connection and sync two devices with ease. Moreover, the technology is completely free to use and requires no charges to be paid to any service provider. So the last one is the Bluetooth devices are available at very cheap cost. So the chances of other wireless network interference with your are very low, because the low power wireless signals that the technology adopts, and also because of something known as frequency hopping. So I will go to the disadvantage of the Bluetooth. For the first one, it said that it can lose connection between the connection in certain condition. For me, even though the security is good, it is better on Wi-Fi Direct, because this can be counted to the larger range of the Bluetooth and also to the lack of a line of sight. Someone who knows how to hack such network can do so eventually. For the next is it has a low bandwidth as compared to Wi-Fi. Even though the transfer speed are impressive at around 25 megabit per second, but certain other technologies like Wi-Fi Direct can offer speed about 250 megabit per second. This is an area that can be improved upon in the near future of the Bluetooth. So the last part is it allows only short range communication between the devices. Um, for the Bluetooth, the ability during transfer is negligible, but there are some people who leave the device switch on their devices. So this inevitably eats into the battery of this device, and it can lowers the battery life considerably, and it will be a short range communication between each devices. So I think that's all for the Bluetooth presentation. Thank you.